I got two. Get him up. Get him, else. First two down. You got one? What you got? Is that our straggler? Let me see. Get it. Get it. Yep, there's one. Okay, good girl. Get it. Good girl. Get it. Get it. Give. 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 Let me see. Let me see. I think this was the second one. I think the first one's over there. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's not a pheasant. That's a quail. Come on. There's another one right over here. Whoa, there we go. You got it? Give. Get it. Bud, get it. Let me see. Where's that? Get it.
Wow.
Let me see. Good girl. Good girl. I don't know how you found that. Give. Hey. All right, heel.
He shot two boys.
Heel. 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 Stay. Get it, Else. Get it. Get it. That'll work. She was on that back there. She was on that back there. That was a quail. Hey, heel. Heel. Get over here, heel. 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 Give. Good girl. Good girl. You were on that all the way back there. I was wondering what she was on. Whoa. What you got there? Bob, come on over. I don't know if we got a bird here or not, but... Yep. Up. Up. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. There's more. Yeah, she was there. Let's go slow, let her work this. What you got? Yeah? It's over there somewhere. Got him? On the run. There you go. Girl. Whoa. Whoa. Come on. Yeah, come on. That one was running. You started tracking that one. It's amazing how close you can get and still not see them. I know. Hey, want roosters, Diane's. Come on. Just watch out, might be another one here. Alice. No, no. That bird folded pretty quick. Come on, Alice. Come here. That bird. That bird. Oh. Come on. Come on. Hey. That bird. Come on. That bird. That bird. There you go. How you shooting, boys? Heel. 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 He's like, that thing's been dead too long already. Nice bird.
Any bird.
Any bird is a good bird.
Is a good bird.
Yep. You got a bird? Get him up, Else. Get him, Else. Get him. We got a false alarm. I couldn't shoot because the bird's running the same direction she's going. I'm like, son of a bitch. Come! I would have helped you out there, but I thought you had it. I'm like, oh, he's got it. I'm not even going to shoot.
Provided JR's angle, let me tell you, that was pretty fun.
Well, I think we were both doubting there was a bird there at that point. And it was literally, what was it, 2 feet to your left? Come on. Good girl. Yeah. I'm contemplating shooting, the dog's running, and then the bird finally got up, so I shot a little high, thinking maybe I'll get lucky, and any other angle, we probably would have been all right.
My son went over the top of the safety and it didn't come off. Pulled the trigger and nothing happened.
That's all right. We got it all on video, so you can watch what you did and correct it. It's always fun to watch the videos when you kill them, but it's even worse to watch the videos when you miss them. We might have to just edit that one.
Oh my God!
Come, come. That's probably what was your curious, you know what I'm saying? She was running around like crazy over there. Come. Come.
I'm sorry,
Come. She's over there going, you shoot 3 times, there should be a bird here, right?
She knew he was there.
Yeah. Come. Come. Heel. 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 Sit.
Okay, that should be 4 dead.
All right, well, keep going. No. Come. 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 Hey, come. Get back here.
That one I didn't shoot.
I shot 3 times, but I was already too late. Got a chance to get him again, huh? Go get it.
There's a rooster running down the outside too.
Watch, rooster here.
All the way down. It's down 100.
Down 100. Get it, Elf. Go on, Elf. Good girl. Go get it. He's hit. Come, 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 come. Got him? Both those birds flew down into the corner here, so.
I saw one running straight before my bird ran. Before my bird.
Come. Come. Come on. Good girl.
Yeah. You want me to go kick corner instead of block something?
Can if you want. I mean, the reality is we're not walking in the wind now. And we're walking in, away
One
from
of them, before this bird flew, I saw the one running out.
tracks right here. Watch, there's tracks right here going that way, Bob. Watch her. These are fresh tracks right here. That's where this bird went down right here. There he goes, yep. Scooted out the end there.
What's that?
Bird flying right towards the red truck, now the gas things.
Oh, maybe it just kept running down the corner.
Come on, Els. Get him up, Els. Two of them over here. Get him, Els. Get it, Els. Get it, Els. Watch, there's another one back here. Get it, Els. Ellie, that bird. That bird, come on. Come on, that bird. I want to see if we can get her to get this one.
Yeah.
Ellie. Ellie, heel. Heel, heel, heel. Hey, heel. Come on. Come. Heel. Heel. Hey. Heel. That bird, come on. Come on.
I need to say that there's another rooster. Oh, he's good.
Come, 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 come. He's cripped. We're going after him. You're gonna find him when we walk back that way. He just went down. Come on. That bird. That bird. That bird. That bird. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Give it to Bob.
Heel. Heel. Sit. Heel.
Good girl. You want to throw him in my back?
Look at the spur on that one.
He's fluffy. We're going to roll back and get that one he just missed.
There could be more in here, dude.
Oh, there's more in there for sure. That was good. Good job. Good job. Oh my God, I'm going to have a lot of video to go through to get this right. Get it, else. Bird. Good girl. Get him up, Els. Come on. There he goes. Yep. That rooster just went over the hump there. He's out there. Yes, he ran. He barely flew. He's right over the hump. She had her nose in over there pretty good and didn't see anything. Come on. Get that bird.
Well, I know I ran up there and I kind of got dizzy and lightheaded.
You all right? Take a break. Need some water?
No, I gotta get one track right now.
I got water on me if you need some.
Is that it? I bet it is. Get him, bro.
It's right there. Look at him laying there. Bob, watch, he might fly. Get him, Mouse. Get him. Get him, Mouse. Get him, Mouse. Get him. Get him, Mouse. Get him, Mouse. Get him. Bob, the dog's on it. Dog's on it over here. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Don't even need to shoot it. I couldn't shoot. I'm like, God damn it, she's... Give. Good girl. Good girl. Give. Whoa. Yeah, we were thinking it was down there a little bit farther. Who does this belong to? We'll give it to JR. He worked his ass off to get that bird. Good girl. Nah. Take a break. Come. Good girl.
Yeah. Fun hunting.
Now you see when she got her, when they got to the grass, that's when she got a chance to catch up to him. Yeah. What's that? Dude, he was right here, laid up, and Ellie was pointing him, and we didn't think he was gonna fly. And then he hauled ass across the field. He was like doing a low fly across the field. The dog chased him all the way across the field. And about a minute later, she come out of there with the bird in her mouth.
That's pretty neat.
That was fun. I'm still rolling, right?
I could see.
Well, you knew the leg was broken. Yeah. I'm still rolling, right? Tell me I'm still rolling.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. That's going to be good video there.
Your shot was a long ass. I couldn't tell Oh, but it was out there.
Well, one of those had the leg hanging when it flew down.
Yeah, that was probably the one. Because when you guys shot, I saw the leg kind of went limp.
This guy's a big old bird. The one that sat at the corner for me.
So what do we got? What do we got now? 5?
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's a big one.
That's a big spur.
Yeah. Good job, Bob.
Hey, we did good today. So did you, especially.
Look at her. See her eyes? This is what happens when you take her out and get in some of this stuff.
Because this guy was a little guy.
All the fur comes off her eyes, and then I go home and get yelled at by my wife.
That bird probably had a big buffy chest.
Come here.
Patch.
Come here. Let me see. What do you got? You're bleeding there. Come here. Did you get attacked by a bird? That bird attack you? Good girl. Yeah, I figured once she got over to the grass, she'd get it.
Would you guys, or was there no way to shoot it?
There was no shot. No shot, no. She was riding his ass all the way to the grass, and then, yeah, she wasn't in there long. She come back out with him.
I heard you yell.